Alright guys, so we got this camper. The customer wanted a gray, charcoal gray, and a black. He wanted us to make it match. So guys, we've been getting that color a lot frequently. You know, we did already a couple of vehicles with the charcoal gray. We can do many colors, guys, but you know, it's whatever you guys want. So we're going ahead and doing the charcoal gray for y'all. And guys, you wanted an update on the Legend 7.3, so here it is. Alright guys, so we finally got our webpage up. On there, there's going to be frequently asked questions with videos and links. But the most important one is going to be a form where you go and you type in what kind of vehicle you have and just pictures and whatnot. You send that one bypasses all the emails and gets straight to us, because I know in the past we would get a bunch of emails and we wouldn't get to yours, especially the quotes. We would get to them 3 to 4 days later, and it would just take a long time. So that one will get to us straight away, guys.
Also, guys, at the bottom of the webpage, there's a donation box where you can just donate $1, guys. We're working on something really big here, and we need your help.
Yeah.
And we just need you to donate $1,
guys.
$1.
Oh, wait. And also, guys, we're doing a $25 Raptor paint job. And on that, it's gonna be numbers. It's gonna be 100 numbers. You buy a number, and with the Texas lottery, it chooses a number, and whatever number it lands on, that person gets a $25 Raptor paint job. So you guys enter that, and gonna be really excited for that. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on the camper. Guys, thank you for the support. Like, subscribe.
Like, subscribe.